Morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning after the long weekend, the beginning of a short week. This is your pre-opening comment, and it is video number 837. And please, if you like the work, hit that subscribe button. It really helps. Okay, Asia, mixed. Europe, down. Some concern about the Fed minutes, which come out. I don't remember whether it's tomorrow or Thursday, but we will have them in the afternoon. Cassia, the IT company in Miami, Florida, ransomware attack with a request for $70 million. This ransomware attack is to this IT provider, and it looks like it flows through to somewhere between 11 and 1,500 firms. So much for Mr. Biden and Putin the thug having a conversation about ransomware and cyber attacks. It has meant nothing. In fact, it's accelerated. Oil up quite a bit. It started the weekend down on Sunday night in the electronic version, and it has since turned substantially higher. I'll get to that chart in a second, because the chart on the screen is one that we have a position in, and that's the gold. We're long some 169 GLD calls, and I think that GLD currently is trading 169.70, and that's up $2.41. The options had a cost, combined cost, because there were two separate purchases, but the options had a cost of about 83 cents. They closed at 97 cents and look to open, I'd say, pretty close to $2 on the basis of how those options delta and the fact that we're up $2.60 on the GLD. As you can see, we had this test. I told you all that Dennis, who called this bottom, said that the number in here would be on the Fibonacci basis, Fibonacci retracement basis, was 1760. It actually got to 1750. That's actually the day that we bought it. And we have followed up. Only one of those days was an inside day. The rest of those days have been higher lows and higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, massive higher high. And my concern was a close over 1800. We are currently trading 1814. And right on the, right on the declining 20-day moving average. Okay, let's go back to the list, because I want to show you the oil chart. Here we go. Okay, oil right now. Oops. Okay, sorry for the delay, folks. Okay, the oil is up 76 cents. It was up almost over another dollar higher. It was 76.98, and that's been a massive move. And like the gold, continuing higher highs. This is the daily. On the weekly, what you'll see is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, again, 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 and again. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 weeks in a row on a run to and through recovery highs. continuous rally. So we broke out here above just under $68, and now we're just under $76. So that's a pretty impressive run. Okay, China. Personally, I think that they ought to reverse all of these new IPOs, just completely cancel them, because it is obvious that these companies knew that the Chinese government was against these IPOs and has since started to crack down on all sorts of things. This is the problem with buying Chinese stocks. The only one that the only two that I really like that I think are not as affected as these little ones and these new ones, which are basically unseasoned securities because they've just come out, are Baidu and Alibaba. DIDI the low is 1088. This is a stock that is trading 12.5 down $3.03, 20%. YMM trucking came at 19, has a high of 22, trading 1544 down 356. CPOP came at 6 and has traded 78. Last is 43.40 down 10. And Kazun, symbol BZ, high 45. This one's not too extreme. 32.67 down 369. These stocks have literally been public for less than 2 weeks. Some of them barely a week. So, this is why I don't trade Chinese stocks. This is why I recommend against it. There is too much that can get thrown at these companies that you don't expect. And the fact that these companies knew about the government cracking down on these cyber issues, as they're putting it, is material information that the public should have had. I truly think cancel them, roll them back. Okay, and a little baby one that I've been talking about now for about a week, a little over a week, MRIN Software. This is a company that has hooked up with Instacart for advertising. It must be one hell of a deal. The stock has come in the last 8 days from $1.67 to $28.25. The last on it today, pre-market, $27.82, up $7.54. Just amazing. Okay, folks, as far as the stock futures, we have the S&P down $1, we have Dow down $12, and we have NASDAQ up $24. For after a long weekend, this really is not much action. Again, except in the gold. All right, everyone, have a good day. Be careful out there. And don't forget to